Never know what you're going to be doing, but it's always an exciting feeling. Demolition, I've never done demolition before.
We're working with Amigos de los Rios, which is a nonprofit organization. We're here at Whittier Narrows Park doing asphalt demolition.
So that there's a drainage hole, because they're trying to put in permeable concrete so that the water seeps through the bottom and it takes care of the drainage there.
So where it puddles, it can create lots of problems. It collects pollution. The water, once it hits the surface, it'll permeate directly into the ground and then replenish the water tables.
I grew up around here, so it's one of the parks I used to come to, so it's kind of a change of pace to work here rather than just hang out here. We worked all over the park. We were planting trees, like all the trees over there with all the fencing around it, we put those in.
I believe they planted about 1,000 trees throughout the entire Whittier Narrows property, and then just other tree maintenance, skirting them, bringing up the foliage so that there's less risk of it contracting disease from the ground, less risk of people walking by and getting whacked in the face. Mostly tree maintenance here. Every project that I've been involved with, we learned something new. It's pretty cool. It's kind of like a table saw, but heavy dutier.
It's definitely a challenging tool for sure.
Kind of like a chainsaw, but a little different. Definitely something that I like doing, using new equipment.